Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. My correct people, we don't carry another interesting. This one is very interesting. I just love this one. But one thing, well, I don't just like one thing out of it because I think it is becoming. I don't know. The thing is just too early. It is too early to announce this kind of a thing because Tadenikawa is just is not up to 4 years. So allegedly, what we heard was that a prophet told Kabiyesi that Tadenikawa have just started his work and nobody is going to stop him because Kabiyesi wanted to stop Tadenikawa from the work he is doing, not he want to. He started it already. So how the thing happened was that um you know that Kabiyesi is a great man, Queen Naomi is a great woman, and the greatness jammed together, and God now put the more great into Tadenikawo. So we all heard that Tadenikawo is supposed to be a great man when he grows up, but we don't know that the thing have started already. Of course, it's not today that it started. I think last year, this year, early this year, that we heard that um Tadenikawo gave his father glasses of water and he got healed. So not just that he's a great man, he also have the power of healing. So my correct people, as we heard it allegedly, they said that Tadenikawo told the mother, you know that Tade is staying with the mother in Akure or in Lake, anywhere they find themselves. They have houses everywhere. If they want to be in the palace, they will come. If they want to be in Lekki, if they want to remain in the Akure house. So they said that the Tadenika will call the mother and told her that she should call their father, that she could call Kabiyesi. That Kabiyesi should not enter his room in so time. And he should not enter not his room, his bedroom. His bedroom, when he take his bed now. So bedroom, not bedroom. So that Kabiyesi should not enter his bedroom in so time until, in short, not so time, that somebody else, you should call somebody else to enter that place. And before that person will go there, that person should be going in there with stick. That they are going to buy something inside there. And that thing is a long thing. You know, not the long thing that have been disturbing Auntie Igwe and the Blue. It's not that particular one, no. The one that was inside there, as we heard allegedly, was the one that they sent against Kabiyesi. So they said that Tadenikawo called the mother and told the mother that she should call Kabiyesi, the husband, and inform him this, that he should not go further. He should not go inside that bedroom until they do as he said. You know, Queen Naomi knows the kind of son he has and the gift of God upon his son. They say that Queen Naomi called the father and told him that, look at what your son said I should tell you. Please try and obey this. Go and get another person to enter that bedroom with a stick before you enter. They say that Kabiyesi simply obeyed without doubting or asking why. So they say that Kabiyesi went and called someone, and someone first of all entered that place. And on entering there, they see a big snake inside. And they say that those people then buried it. Had it been his Kabiyesi that entered, Kabiyesi will be entering in form of he's going to take his birth. And he wouldn't have any weapon on with him. He wouldn't have anything that he will use to buy the thing. So when Kabiyesi heard this from Queen Naomi and said that it was Tade that said that he should pass the information, Kabiyesi was surprised that who is this Tade? what kind of power does this boy has? Is it that Tade is now a prophetess too? Does it mean that the prophecy or the prophetessy calling of his mother have also transferred to him? Like how he doesn't understand. So they said that Kabiyesi started looking for who will tell him exactly who is Tadenikawa and the kind of gift Tadenikawa has. So he went and called Ifa priest. He's not, I don't think it's Ifa priest from the Ile-Ife. There's this a particular Ifa priest that he called, and before you know it, this Ifa priest landed. Okay, it's not Ifa priest, a prophet, not Ifa priest. The prophet landed, and they said that the prophet told Kunomi and Kabiyesi that, okay, it was Kabiyesi because Kunomi was not there in the palace. It was later that Kabiyesi now called Kunomi and started telling Kunomi what the prophet said. And you know that Kunomi is also a prophetess, so it will work. So they said that the prophet told Kabiyesi that this boy, Tadenika, will have started his work on his purpose on earth. He has started it and nothing is going to stop him, not even you. Because they said that Kabiyesi and the doctor and Kunomi started being afraid that this boy started too early. And do you know one thing? He sees vision. Now this is the same way we heard that after their church service in Nakuru, she told her mother to tell, okay, the woman in question have left already. She told her mother to call that woman that she should stop wherever she is, that she should not go further until after 5 minutes. People, they said that the woman obeyed immediately without questioning. It was prophetess that told her that now. After 5 minutes, they found out that they had an accident. Immediately, that particular place that the woman would have reached in that 5 minutes time. And the Kabiyesi was like, gee, no be small matter. Kabiyesi was so surprised that Tadenikawo could send this kind of message to him. Hey, my people, this boy destiny is so great though. But do you know the fearing aspect of it? Kabiyesi is so much afraid, and the Kunomi is also afraid because this is all Kunomi have gotten, and if anything should happen to Tade, because this time around, anything he sees, sometimes he wouldn't even know how to say it, because they say that the priestess, prophet, told Kabiyesi that even some certain things that Tadenika will be saying, he wouldn't know how to say it and what to say. The only thing is that anyhow he's just saying it, that people should listen very well and know exactly what he's saying. That after saying that thing immediately, the next time you ask him what did you say at that so time, he won't be able to recognize or remember, because he's not the one saying it. The Spirit of God speaking through him. Anyway, guys, I just want to share this one with you. I don't know what you have to say. Please drop your comments in the comment section and give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys.